In this video, we are going to take a look at the Philips Hue large gradient light tube. This light tube is compatible with the Philips Hue ecosystem through a bridge. It measures 54.2 inches long, 1.3 inches tall, and 1.24 inches deep. It puts out light at 1200 lumens at maximum brightness. The light tube features 3 separate light zones with the ability to use mirrored mode, giving you 5 colors, transitioning in a smooth gradient. When I unboxed the light tube, I was impressed with how sleek and low profile the light is. It's perfect for placement on a wall behind a TV, on or behind a TV stand, a desk, or other indoor furniture. To set it up, you just plug the power supply into the control box and the control box into the light. Then you get on the Philips Hue app and you go to Lights and click the plus symbol in the top right. If the light doesn't show up right away, you might need the serial number, which is located on the cord of the light. Once the light is discovered, follow the directions on the Hue app and it will show you how to control the light. It also gives you mounting instructions you can access directly from the app. The gradient light tube is adjustable and can be rotated up to 340 degrees to aim the light in the best way possible. The fixture features removable mounts that you can adjust to determine where the wire comes out. The light features non-slip pads on the bottom so you can place it directly on a surface, or you can mount it to a wall or piece of furniture by removing the mounts with the supplied Allen wrench and then screwing the mounts into a wall or furniture. I wish the light included a template for mounting, but you can measure where the mounts go while they're still attached to the light, mark on your surface where to install, remove the mounts from the light, and then screw them into a sturdy furniture, or just use some drywall anchors. To take full advantage of this light, you will need a Hue bridge. If you want to sync the light with content from your TV, then in addition to your bridge, you're going to need to set up entertainment zones and have a Hue Play sync box. I think this large gradient light tube looks fantastic. You can achieve a variety of different looks with it, and it looks great hidden or visible as long as you get the light angle correct. The fit and finish are fantastic, and I love that Philips gives 2 different sizes to choose from. But we've got to talk price. At $220 for this large model and $180 for the compact, it's not cheap. And it's a bit more expensive than a gradient light strip 6-foot base kit, but with this you get a full fixture with angle adjustability. It's not necessarily better than a light strip, but it includes some features and design elements that you don't get in an LED strip. I also noticed if you have bright lights on in a room, the effect of this is definitely minimized, but it's still there. Philips also doesn't push it, but if you switch from using whites or desaturated colors to fully saturated colors, then the perceived brightness drops considerably. Just be aware this is not a reading light or a task light. It's a mood light, an accent light. I've been looking into purchasing one of these light tubes for a while, and while I think it looks great, if you have other tech needs or more practical lighting for your smart home, I would recommend starting there and saving a light tube for later. But if you're ready to light up your entertainment center, your desk, entryway table, or just to add a great pop of color to your room, then the gradient light tube is perfect for you and is a worthwhile investment. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I have more Philips Hue unboxings and reviews that will be uploaded soon. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, then please consider making purchases with affiliate links in the description below.